This is a 2015 Porsche Macan S. It's got the 3.0 twin turbo motor in it. We just did some rear muffler deletes on it. Put the factory exhaust tips on there. It does have a factory active exhaust valve, we call it. We left that in place, so you got to make a nice custom Y pipe. Comes the factory muffler. You see we took them off here with the single end dual outlet configuration, so kind of exotic a little bit there, as Porsche and all these European cars are. Left the factory exhaust in it. Got the factory cats and everything all still in play. Should give it a good sound. If you like the content of this video, would you please hit the like and share button? We'd really appreciate that. So let's see what it sounds like. Well, I woke it up. It's got a little rumble to it. Kind of hear the turbo going off a little bit now.